back to the channel. And yes, it is getting dark outside. I just got home from work and I really wanted to film this video because, I mean, honestly, the dark is going to be the perfect time to film this video. But yeah, I'm not a big fan of this whole getting darker earlier thing. It's kind of, it really throws off a lot of stuff. Can't really do too much filming after work if it does get darker earlier, and pretty much all the filming that I have to do is going to be here in the garage. But we're actually going to do a little bit of a small truck mod, I guess. It's not really a mod, more like just kind of an upgrade. And I think you guys are going to enjoy it because it's something a little bit different. And it's, if you guys still have a stock style rear bumper on your truck like I put back on, then it's really going to help out. It's just an upgrade that people just often overlook, and it's just something that I've been waiting for a little bit, and they finally decided to come out with it. So of course I had to order some, and they just came in yesterday. Obviously everybody always does full LED upgrades as far as like their tow mirrors or their headlights, their parking lights, their turn signals, obviously rock lights, huge thing in the truck world. Interior lights, everybody goes full LED on the inside, and the brake lights. And people forget about one thing. This is even a huge deal amongst, you know, new car manufacturers. And what I'm talking about is your license plate light. For whatever reason, new car manufacturers, they have nice LED tail lights and nice LED headlights, but they always skimp out on the license plate lights. And that's one thing that, you know, kind of can make or break the full appeal of the LED lights on your vehicle. And as you guys know, I'm huge into full LED upgrades. The interior on all three of our vehicles have LED lights. The turn signals and the headlights, all LED. And the license plate lights, actually all LED. That's just one thing that I don't forget about. And with these, there was just never any good option aside from just sticking in a 194 LED bulb, which, don't get me wrong, that works. You know, that works. It still makes it look good. But there is finally a new and hopefully better option. I got these guys right here from Amazon. Since Dad got his new truck, and if you haven't seen that video, go ahead and click up above right now. He actually bought these as an upgrade for his own LED license plate lights, and I kind of started looking around, and there wasn't ever an option for the 88 to 98 Silverados. So I was kind of thinking maybe I'll retrofit a new style light in the bumper and just, you know, make it look good, because his LEDs, they're full panel LEDs, they're bright, and you know, they really look good. But I finally found these guys right here. These are direct replacements for our stock license plate lights. And I know some of you guys might not think this is a very big deal, and it's not. It's not something that's expensive. You know, it's not something that's a huge deal. But for those of us who really enjoy our little detail mods, enjoy our LED lighting upgrades, this is kind of a huge deal. But yeah, we got a full panel LED in here, and what it does, you actually plug it right into the 194 socket, if it'll focus. This little connector right here plugs right into the 194 socket where your, you know, current LED or 194 bulb goes, and these guys just go in place of your stock lights. If you guys are like me, which I know a lot of you probably are, you like quick, simple, cheap mods to do to your trucks. Not everybody wants to go out and spend a couple $100s on tow mirrors and LED lights or switchbacks for the tow mirrors. For 17 to 20 bucks, you can get those LED lights on Amazon. I will have a link to my Amazon store down in the description. If you guys want some of these for your truck, 17, 18 bucks, you know, why not? It's definitely going to be worth it. So let's go ahead and show you what I've got going on as far as the LEDs in my current license plate lights. Alright, as you guys know, I switched over to the stock style smooth rear bumper. I originally had a roll pan which had its own LED light, and I decided I wanted to go back to a bumper. I really enjoy the look of a bumper, a clean painted bumper on a step side. And I know I get a lot of questions, speaking of the bumper, I get a lot of questions about the step pad. And the step pad's actually pretty cool. People notice this gap, and at first I did not like that gap. A lot of people think I've got a body lift. I do not have a body lift. The only thing I've got is just the rough country suspension lift, and I've got 3-inch blocks in the back, and that's it. I don't have a body lift on the truck. But these step pads are actually kind of rare in the OBS world, much like the step pads for the step side bed. Kind of rare and harder to find. I think on LMC these guys are like 150 bucks a piece. These are actually work truck steps for the smooth rear bumper. But moving on to the license plate lights, you see I've got LED bulbs in here. These do a pretty good job at lighting up the license plate and making everything visible back here. And honestly, I'm not complaining. I like these. They're black, they're the work truck style, and I can just throw LED bulbs into those and everything will be fine. But you can always get a little bit better. So I'm not sure if you guys have ever really messed with these before, but they're fairly simple to take out. On mine and on most stock trucks, you have these little clips right here, which you actually have to slide those out in order to get your license plate light out. Let me see if I could stick this light. It's supposed to be magnet, but it's not doing a good job with the magnet. So all you gotta do is take your bulb out. So there's the bulb. Just got a flat base LED in there. You gotta take this guy out. And if you go from the other side, you're just able to go ahead and just remove your little light. And all this is just a plastic lens, and you just put your LED bulb in this if you want to upgrade your light. Same thing with the upgrade. This is a nice gloss black, and if you really wanted to, you could scuff this up and you could actually paint it to match the body color of your truck. Of course, you want to tape off your lens, but this is paintable. You could paint this if you really wanted to, and it might be something I might do in the future, but honestly the black kind of looks good in my opinion. And so we could just take this guy here, feed the little plug through the hole, and then you've got the little clips that you have to worry about. So really this thing has two little, I guess, tabs that you can actually just press in there and it snaps in place, and honestly it's not going anywhere. So if you don't want to put that little washer thing back in there, you probably don't even have to, but you got that. So then you come up under the truck on the back side of the bumper, unplug your 194, set that off to the side somewhere, and then now we've got to find our little plug right here, and you just plug that into the socket and everything should work. And if it doesn't work, all you gotta do is just flip that around and plug that in the other way. I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall that little retaining clip just because it came there factory, so I'm gonna just leave that there so that light doesn't pop out or shake out or anything. And we come and look at it and you could tell it's so much brighter. I mean, it's just 100% brighter than just if you put an LED bulb in. So we've got this side over here, that's just the 194 LED. This side is the brand new full panel LED upgrade. And that's it. Just makes a huge difference. Lights the back of your license plate up. That way people can see it. You don't get hassled by the cops or whatever. And yeah, it looks good. It looks good, looks modern, classy. And it's just a nice little simple touch you could put on the back of these trucks for a very low cost. And I definitely recommend, if you guys want to finish up your LED lighting upgrade, if you want to get away from the bulbs, you do this. And there we go, both of them are installed. Super simple, direct, plug and play, very easy to do. The only one concern that I have is how protected from the water and from the weather the plugs are actually going to be, since the blade that you plug the light into is kind of exposed just a bit, and there's really not a way to hide that, I guess, unless you want to tape it, but that's up to you. And yeah, looks really good, nice and bright. You can see everything, and it just really cleans up the rear end of the truck a lot and makes it look a lot more modern. So there you have it, brand new license plate, full panel LED lights. Those of us that have been running 194 LED bulbs in our license plate lights can now move on to something bigger, something better. I know you guys are probably going to have two questions. Number one, does it come in chrome? And yes, it does. I will also link that one in the description as well. And number two, can you get it in other colors aside from white? As far as what I found, they only come in white, and I didn't see anything for blue, anything for red, anything like that. May come later down the road, may not, because most states want white license plate lights in the back, but I don't know. Anyway, I just think that they're really nice little mod, nice subtle touch of class, subtle touch of something modern, especially if you want to get rid of your halogen bulbs and put something brand new in there. And also very cheap and easy to do. So there you have it, 2 brand new full panel LED license plate lights. Just another subtle touch, a little detail to your truck. If you guys like it as much as I do, definitely go get yourself a set off of Amazon. And like I said, super simple, super cheap, and super easy. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little review / install video. I don't know how long they're gonna last. They may last for a long time, they may burn out, but we will update that in the future. So thank you guys so much for watching. We are on the road to 10,000 subscribers, and I will be giving away a set of Boost Auto Parts tow mirrors at 10,000 subscribers. But today starts a brand new giveaway up until the 10,000. I will be giving away a VMS Racing bullet antenna. These things are full aluminum. They get great radio service if you still use the radio, and they look really good on your truck. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start this giveaway, and I'm going to run this giveaway until let's go for 2 weeks. 2 weeks from the day that this video is uploaded is the time that you have to get entered. And all you have to do, this is a YouTube only giveaway, all you have to do is comment down below #bullet antenna giveaway to get yourself entered to win. Like and subscribe to this video. VMS Racing antenna, they've got all sorts of different colors. That will be this size. I think this is like a 3 or 4 inch antenna, and you get the color of your choice. So the winner will be messaged probably on Instagram or something like that, and we will get you guys taken care of. I will order from the website and ship it straight to your door. So be sure you get entered to win a brand new bullet antenna. Other than that, good luck on the giveaway. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you all in the next video. Take care.